Hi everyone, this is Kushal Rambulkar from gossipfunda. Let's get started. So, in this video, I will be talking about how to remove Samsung Pay. So, firstly, let us know what is Samsung Pay. Samsung Pay simplifies how you pay safely accepted at more locations than most other methods of mobile payment. Thanks to MST and NFC support, you only need your Galaxy phone to swipe up from the home button and authorize the payment through its highly secure fingerprint identification system. Then place the phone against the card reader and you're set, all in a matter of seconds. Samsung Pay is so safe that it secures your payment information with several added layers of security, keeping it locked and hidden from any third parties. So let us know how to keep Samsung Pay from activating on your home screen or the lock screen. Open the Samsung Pay app, then tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner, then tap on the settings. Tap on the quick access and then toggle off the lock screen, home screen and the screen off. With this turned off, Samsung Pay should only activate when you open the app and tap it to a terminal to pay. If, however, you just want to just get pay off your phone, most recent Samsung phones allow you to uninstall Samsung Pay and be rid of it completely, and unlikely the previous methods of merely disabling the app uninstalling can be done in the three easy taps. So now we will know how to remove Samsung Pay from your Galaxy phone. Press and hold the Samsung Pay icon in your app drawer until a menu appears. Tap on the uninstall and then tap on OK to confirm you want to uninstall this app. With the app completely uninstalled, you can install a different contactless payment app like Google Pay. You can also swipe down the quick settings and toggle off the NFC if you don't intend to use the payment app and don't want the sensor left to be triggered by some random tag. I hope I was able to give you some of the information. If I do, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Gossip Funda YouTube channel. You can also watch the previous videos from the I button. You can also visit to gossipfunda.com webpage where you will find more interesting tech-based facts and articles. Link is in the description box below. Do check it out. Thank you.